Now, everybody loves a good banger, and these chicken and cheese Kranskys are absolutely fantastic. But I'm not just going to be cooking them on the barbecue today. We are going to make a corn dog with them. So first we're just going to set our pan to low, a little bit of oil inside. Now, we're not trying to cook these all the way through. All we're doing is par cooking them. So whilst these are par cooking, I'm going to make the corn batter. In with our buttermilk first. In with 1 egg. We're going to whisk it up. Cornmeal inside, also known as polenta. Gluten-free flour, because these sausages are already gluten-free. Bicarb goes inside. A little bit of sugar and a little pinch of salt. Whisk that up together nicely. So our sausages are half cooked now. All right, so all we need to do is take them out, and we're going to put the skewer inside them and take it all the way to the end. Now, whilst they're on the board, I'm going to give these a little dust with some extra flour, okay? It's just going to help the batter to stick to it. All we need to do, pop it inside. And the other one, make sure it's evenly coated with the batter, guys. Turn the heat off, and these are starting to puff up just nicely. Okay, and now we need to take them out and drain them. They will continue to cook on the inside, so let them cool down a little bit. Onto the plate as such, a little bit of seasoning. Now this is the best snack, made with fantastic chicken and cheese Kranskys, gluten-free. It's super tasty.